Now I just want to eat salmon like this! For this recipe, we will need 14 ounces of salmon. Pour hot water over the salmon so the skin comes off easily. Next, place the salmon on a board and cut it into medium pieces. Season with salt to taste, black pepper to taste, and carefully rub it. Now in a frying pan, add olive oil, and when the oil is hot, put our salmon to fry. When one side is ready, turn it over so that it fries all sides. Tell me in the comments where you're watching us from so I can thank you for following our recipes. To continue, remove the salmon from the pan and set aside. Now in another pan, add 1 cup of butter and stir so that this butter melts completely. After that, add half a teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of black pepper, 1 garlic clove minced, the juice of half a lemon, fine herbs to taste, and stir. When that sauce is boiling, add the salmon. To make it even tastier, take some of this sauce with a spoon and pour it over our fish. And if you're still watching the video, you're loving our recipe. So like the video and write in the comments, I love salmon! You guys, this recipe is very easy to make and is super delicious. I'm sure everyone will like the result. Be sure to make this recipe at home and then come back to tell me how it turned out. We would love to know. And our recipe is ready. Now you just have to enjoy it. I really hope you liked it. Thank you for watching the video. See you in the next one. Bye-bye.